Mastering possessive adjectives. Claim your grammar skills. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving into the world of possessive adjectives. These are an essential part of English grammar, helping us show ownership or possession. Don't worry if it sounds complex, we're going to break it down and make it easy to understand. Possessive adjectives, as the name suggests, are used to show ownership or possession. They are used before nouns and they change depending on the pronoun they are linked to. The list of possessive adjectives includes my, your, his, her, its, our, and their. Remember, they always come before a noun. For example, this is my book. Is that your car? Now let's look at each possessive adjective in detail. 1. My, used to denote possession that belongs to the speaker. Example, this is my hat. 2. Your, used to denote possession that belongs to the person or people the speaker is talking to. Example, is this your bag? 3. His, used to denote possession that belongs to a male person or animal mentioned before. Example, that is his dog. 4. Her, used to denote possession that belongs to a female person or animal mentioned before. Example, I like her dress. 5. Its, used to denote possession that belongs to a thing, idea or animal mentioned before. Example, the cat is eating its food. 6. Our, used to denote possession that belongs to the speaker and at least one other person. Example, this is our house. 7. Their, used to denote possession that belongs to a group of people, animals, or things mentioned before. Example, their presentation was excellent. Now that we've gone through the list, let's put them into action in some sentences. I encourage you to repeat after me and try to create your own sentences as well. 1. I left my keys on the table. 2. Do you like your new teacher? 3. He forgot his wallet at home. 4. She brushed her hair. 5. The dog is wagging its tail. 6. We're going to our grandmother's house. 7. They forgot their backpacks in the classroom. And that's it. Now you're more familiar with possessive adjectives in English. They may seem small, but they're mighty in their importance. I hope you found this video helpful. Remember, the key to learning is practicing. So don't hesitate to use these adjectives in your daily conversations. Thank you for watching, and happy learning.